Hey everyone, welcome back to with me, Victoria Garita. Today, I'd like to share a story about my extended family. I hope this story can give you a glimpse into the colorful dynamics of our family. My grandparents' name is Pariyati and he married my grandmother Camilla. From their marriage, they were blessed with 6 children, Kamsiren, Jamaen, Swarti, Kristino, Muchi, and Darcy. The first 4 are boys, while the last 2 are girls. These 6 children became the foundation of our larger story-filled family. Let me tell you about each of them and their descendants. 1. Kamsiren and Jasmina. This couple had a daughter named Heni Cahyani. Heni later married January Zal, and they have 3 children, Aldi, Sasa, and Kita, the great-grandchildren of Grandpa Pariyati and Grandma Camilla. However, Kamsiren and Jasmina marriage did not last. They eventually divorced and have since started new life with different partners. 2. Jamaen and Marinam. Jamaen married Marinam and they have a son named Grigo Alvinru. Grigo is currently living abroad, pursuing his career and dreams. He is still single and has not married yet, but we heard he's doing quite well overseas, although we don't see him often. Our family always prays for his success. 3. Swarti and Sutini. They are my parents from their marriage to Dr. Weirburn. Me and my younger sister, Meita. We have a significant gap of 14 years, but we are very close and love each other dearly. That's why our house often becomes the gathering place of our cousins, especially during holidays and special occasions. 4. Kristino and Maya. Kristino and Maya have a daughter named Dea Piti. Dea recently graduated from university and is currently focusing on her future. Although her parents divorced when she was still in elementary school, they remained supportive and worked together to raise her. I truly admire their commitment to prioritizing Dea's education and happiness. 5. Muchi and Suratman. From Muchi and Suratman's marriage came a daughter named Tati. However, since Muchi had to go abroad for work and rarely stay in touch, we don't see her very often. Still, Tati keeps a good relationship with the family and often visits us during Eid or New Year's celebrations. 6. Darcy and Karso. Lastly, my aunt Darcy married Karso, and they had 2 sons, Andre and Anggi. Unfortunately, they also divorced when the boys were still in elementary school. Since then, Andre and Anggi have lived with my parents, Swarti, who raise and support them like his own children. All in all, from the 6 children of my grandparents, there are 8 grandchildren and so far 3 great-grandchildren. The grandchildren are Heni, Rico, myself, Meta, Dea, Tati, Andre, and Anggi. Even though we're spread across different regions and even countries, we always try to maintain strong family. We usually gather during Eid or New Year. I also frequently visit my cousin Heni, who lives in East Java, because I miss my little niece and nephew, Aldi, Sasa, and Kita. That's a little story about my big families. Thank you for taking the time to read it. I apologize for any mistakes in my storytelling or writing. See you again the next discussions. Bye bye.